Alright, fine. Ford F-150. The customer mentioned that every now and then a fuse blows. What I did, he said it happens from time to time, so I thought maybe the wiring harness was moving, but even after moving it, the short circuit stayed. No matter what fuse you put in, it'll blow because, it's grounded. These Ford issues, they're just a hassle, but look at this. So this short circuit is what's causing the whole problem. Look, it was grounded, that's why this fuse blew. So what do we need to do? We need to open up the wiring harness from here. I opened up the harness from here and checked the wire. There was nothing wrong with it because I moved it down and checked inside and I didn't see anything. So I thought, let me check the diagram. Turns out this is fuse number 76. Let's see what this fuse powers. The fuse supplies power to the 4 oxygen sensors, the 4 VVT solenoids, and the evaporator. So basically, the whole point is that when this fuse blows, the car will start acting up and the sensor's warning lights on the engine will come on. We thought maybe if we remove the sensor sticker from the front of the engine, the short would go away, but it didn't. So the next step is that we have to go underneath and see what's going on. After we finished with the engine head, we went underneath and saw that the oxygen sensor was damaged. From above, it wasn't visible because the nylon was covering the short. When I removed it, I saw the wires were touching each other, which was causing the fuse to blow. After we disconnected the oxygen sensor, the short circuit was gone. Let's make sure about the fuse after it blew. We need to set the multimeter to cold and put the probe on the fuse that was blowing. Look, my tester turned off, there's no more short circuit. And luckily, the starter is still out. We have